The coin I present to you today is a €2 coin dedicated to the Rugby World Cup that took place in France in 2023. This coin is bimetallic, nickel and nickel brass at the center, and copper nickel for the ring. A weight of 8.5 grams and a diameter of 25.75 millimeters and a thickness of 2.2 millimeters. This commemorative coin is circulating, which means it can easily be found in shops and in your pockets. The reverse represents a rugby player holding a ball in hand. The legend inscribed Rugby World Cup France 2023. The current edition of this coin is 15 million copies, to which are added 10,000 in universal gloss (BU) and 10,000 in fine mint (BE), as well as 150,000 copies in special rolls. The value of the current coin varies between €2 and €3 in coin fleur de coin quality. The copies in BU are worth €11 and in BE €27. The cleaner and shiny the original currency, the more value it will have.